When a new Aston Martin model arrives, it usually arrives in its hardtop coupe variety first. This one catches your eye, steals your heart, and assaults your ears in a manner exactly as you'd hoped it would. Eventually, though, the convertible version arrives. It appends the word Volante to the model name and lets in more light, more style, and more of that glorious noise. This is the latest machine to get the drop-top beautification. Say hello to the Aston Martin Vanquish Volante. This year marks the 60th anniversary of Volante being tacked on to already gorgeous Aston Martin machines. It's quite a proper way to pay homage to what has been a steady stream of stunners over the years. The latest Volante is one of the best looking ones as well, as it does a damn fine job of blending flowing lines with sleek muscularity. In the hood, you'll find a set of louvers that relate to design elements from the Aston Martin F1 cars. Out back, you have an excellent camtail design, while the front of the car presents a great dash-to-axle ratio that always works in stylistic flavor of the truly great sporty cars throughout time. For this convertible version of the Vanquish, Aston Martin employs their K-fold roof design that features acoustically enhanced fabric to keep things quiet when the top is up. It can open in 14 seconds, close in 16 seconds, and be operated at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Additionally, you can operate the roof right from the key fob if you'd like. In the cabin, like the coupe, this Volante gets Aston's latest and greatest in terms of its digital displays and infotainment. While I will always prefer the OG analog opposite sweep gauges of the past, I have to say that it's great to see Aston finally get this modern tech stuff right. It started back with the launch of the updated Vantage and DBX and continues here with the Vanquish. You have a 10.25-inch driver display as well as a 10.25-inch center screen. Not too big and not too small either. The audio is supplied via a 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Well, the better audio is supplied by the 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine under the hood. You've got 824 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque at the ready. That torque peaks at just 2,500 RPM too, so the traction control system is working its butt off to keep the rear 325 section width Pirelli P0 tires from leaving beautiful stripes of rubber on the ground. Top speed, 214 miles an hour. The 0 to 60 mile per hour dash likely takes just over 3 seconds flat. Plus you have a ZF8 speed feeding power out back, which properly meters it out via the eDiff. This unit is capable of going from fully open to 100% locked in just 135 milliseconds. From there, you can alter the level of traction and stability control to keep things fully controlled or get as sideways as you can handle. Aston Martin plans to build just 1,000 units of the Vanquish per year. That number includes both coupes and convertibles. As you are likely extremely aware, these aren't cheap. I'd expect the price of the Vanquish Volante to land just under where that Ferrari 12 Cilindre starts. That Italian rocket starts at $470,000. A Vanquish coupe starts just north of $430,000. I can see Aston Martin pricing the Vanquish Volante at around $450,000 to start. Which means in reality, once you start adding options, these will be closer to $500,000. I'm sure the Q by Aston Martin Bespoke team can help customers push that number quite higher too.